This is your public service announcement. Do not wait to pack until the night before your trip. Well, I sort of waited to pack. I mean, I had stuff in piles. I have limited space to work with, people. Oh my god, I have so much stuff. I don't know how. I managed to fit it in suitcases. Guys, I haven't had suitcases in like 2 years. The last time I had a suitcase was when I borrowed the broken-wheeled one to transport movies in New York City. Don't ever do that, people. It's bad news bears. But yeah, over 2 years ago. And then before that, the last time I had a suitcase, over 4 years ago, whenever I lived in the States, because then I got rid of all my suitcases, and I've had a giant backpack ever since. It's weird traveling with suitcases. I had to borrow them from a friend. She's awesome. Thank you. Yeah, I'm so brain dead. It's after midnight. I fly out in like 14 hours. I managed to get almost all my work done at my work. I have one thing that I need to try and finagle with my computer. And then I gotta try and wake up early and do some emergency shopping, because I am still missing some things that I need to bring to see people. I mean, I say that I need them. So I need to try and get that done. Although stores here don't open until like 9:30, 10 o'clock. And I'm like, people, I have to catch the bus at noon. Because apparently, like, normally I'd be like, oh, okay, I'll just catch, 2 hours before my flight and be fine. But, your airlines send you warnings about how, it's busier. I think I get that every single time I have a flight. They tell you that, like, the time is busier, so please make sure you show up way before. So I'm like, the last thing I would want to do is show up only 2 hours beforehand and not have enough time. So I'm going to be one of those people that shows up 3 hours for my flight, and then it's an hour train ride to get over there. So, yeah, all that time that I thought I had no longer exists, and that makes me sad, and I cry a little inside. So I'm off to bed so I can wake up in a few hours and finish getting all of this ready so I can see many of your smiling faces. Yeah. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, seemed like left that out. Because, guys, saying that I'm, like, calm, cool, and collected is, like, not even happening. I'm going, ah! Okay, so, it's, like, an inside of, like, how I'm feeling. Okay, I'm going to bed. I love you all. I can't wait to see many of you. Bye. Good night. Love. Mwah. Bye.